Everybody's got their problems. Everybody says the same things to you. It's just no matter how you solve them. And knowing how to change the things you've been through. I feel like come to realize how fast life can be compromised. Step back to see what's going on. Are you letting this happen to you? This happen to you? Part of me won't agree, 'cause I don't know if it's for sure. Suddenly, I don't feel so insecure. Part of me won't agree, 'cause I don't know if it's for sure. Suddenly, I don't feel so insecure anymore. It's just a problem that I'm faced with. Am I not the only one who hates to stand by complications that are past in this life? With all the pictures coming I feel so useless in this. Get back, step back, and ask for me. I can't believe part of me won't agree, 'cause I don't know if it's for sure. Suddenly, I don't feel insecure. Part of me won't agree, 'cause I don't know if it's for sure. Suddenly, I don't feel so